Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Geogebra and loading your construction. Make sure the main objects are visible. Once done, sign into your Geogebra account if you want cloud saves, otherwise pick local save. Name the file clearly, include project and date. Then use File Save or Ctrl+S to trigger the first write. This step captures definitions, coordinates, and slider states. It prevents accidental loss and sets the file path for future exports and revisions. Once the initial save is done, choose how you will store and share the file. If you need full editing later, pick the GGB format. For images or handouts, export PNG or SVG. Next, select the destination. Geogebra Cloud keeps versions and links. Local folders are faster for offline work, and external drives are good for backups. Make sure to use descriptive file names with versioning or dates so you can track revisions. Finally, confirm permission settings if sharing with others. To finish, open the saved file to verify that all objects, sliders, and labels are intact. This confirms the save worked. Then create a backup copy to cloud or external storage and consider exporting a secondary format for presentation. If something goes wrong, for example, the file won't open or objects are missing, try clearing Geogebra cache, updating the app, or re-exporting from the original session. If corruption persists, recover the most recent backup or export XML to examine component data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.